It's good. We've landed at Chennai airport and check-in out was clear. No issues, just that we had to wait for 2.5 hours for the flight, the delay. It's waiting for the baggage and going to be checking out in the airport shortly and into the hotel. So stay tuned, guys. குட் மார்னிங்க. ரொம்ப நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணுறீங்களா?
இல்லை
பிடிச்சி ஃப்ளைட்டு டிலே ஆயிடுச்சு 2.5 மணி நேரம். We're at Chennai now and checked off in the airport and heading out to the hotel. Still early in the morning and bring back memories of being in this place, going from this place. Hi, good morning. I have a booking on the Karldw.
Yeah, room number.
Okay.
The room number is located in the first floor.
Okay.
Elevators are backside, sir.
Okay.
The will help you to the home.
Okay.
Any assistance from your room, you can just tell single one.
Okay, what breakfast included, right? What time?
Breakfast is included.
What time?
3 nights, and it will start by 6:30 in the morning.
6:30.
Till 10:30 it will be available.
Okay, it's down.
It's here only.
Okay.
To the second floor. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Lunch is both restaurant.
Okay. Okay. Right.
Bar and backside swimming.
Okay. Thank you.
The luggages.
Okay. So this is the room that we just checked in, and this is the washroom. Good. And space for the luggage. So we're staying at the Radisson Blu in Chennai, close to the airport, because it gives us some easy access when you're traveling in and out of the city. Small room, but good enough. So there's a view from here, so probably in the morning I'll be able to see what it is. So guys, we are at the Radisson this morning for breakfast, and this is the kapi kadai. So you get the authentic filter coffee. Some cuts of cheese. Soy milk, almond milk, fenugreek water, cumin water. Breads.
And one masala.
Onion, masala. One ghee roast also. One ghee roast also. Ghee roast.
This would be the sweets.
And this side.
And this.
Chili upma. And the millet khichdi is there. You got lemon poha. And then you got the aloo matar bhaji. Mint chutney, sweet chutney, uttapam, and jams. Sweet sandwich. So the cereals, all the stuff. Vegan cake, gluten-free muffin, gluten-free bread, ragi cakes. So your toaster with the lactose-free milk, vegan butter. You've got noodles with vegetable. You've got grilled vegetables. Herb roasted new potatoes, baked beans and porridge, with egg, double onion mutton curry. This mutton curry looks good. And ginger and garlic steamed with it's your egg station. So guys, for this week I'm on keto, these 2 weeks. Been on carnivore for quite some time, so I picked up some chicken sausage, some grilled fish, some mutton, grilled vegetables, some rashers. We got an egg benedict with ham, and that's an omelette as well, cheese omelette. So yeah, so let's see how it goes. I'm gonna try the egg benedict first and then check out the other. So this would be the potato, I think. Let me just the hash brown. The egg benedict. Delicious. It does have some bread on it. I don't eat bread. I don't eat carbs. So I'm just gonna leave the bread out. So for the last 3 months, I've been on the carnivore diet and eating meats. I think very little of vegetable. That's probably 95% carnivore diet for the last 3 months. So starting off with our trip to Chennai, India, I'm going to be moving to the keto because I'm traveling. So that's the greenhouse. That's a real greenhouse for the plants. That's interesting. So I ordered a cheese omelette, guys. You can see cheese omelette. So over the last couple of months, my meal has been basically meats and eggs. The cheese omelette's good. I don't know what cheese they have in it.
1 kilo.
What you can see, it's got some cheese in it. So it's pretty good. Tomato. So I'm trying out the sausage, the chicken sausage. Okay, not that good. Not very flavorful, so I wouldn't want to take another one. So, I'm gonna try the fish. It's got some chilies on it. Check out this guy. The fish is good. The chilies are hot. I'll show you a bit of chili. Oh, it's chopped fine. I don't know if you can see this. You should be able to see a small bit of chili. These chilies are hot. It is hot, but goes very well with the fish. You can get the fragrance of ginger on the fish. I'm gonna try some of the veggies, the grilled veggies. Grilled veggies taste just like grilled veggies. No difference. I'm gonna try some of the bacon. So let me see if I can get it onto the.
Thank you. Filter coffee with
Much. Appreciate.
Thank you. Bacon is spot on. You can't go wrong with bacon. Let me show you this, guys. This is the filter coffee. This is the unique filter coffee from Chennai. So, I've got the coffee. I'm gonna enjoy this. No sugar. And continue with it. I'm gonna try I got some mutton. I wanna try this as well. Wow, it's soft, it's falling off the bone. Let's see how this is. It's spicy, not overly spicy, but the mutton is very tender and juicy. Overall breakfast is very good. I like it. So I'm going to shut off this video, guys, and I'll catch you again on another video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel. Click the like button, drop a comment, and I'll get to you guys. So have a great day.